The 2011 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, power passenger seat, power lift gate, airbags, four-wheel ABS, air conditioning. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.